Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Strawberries are perennials. They go through a period of dormancy in the winter and return each spring ready to go again. Virtually every planting zone is conducive for growing strawberry plants at least a few months out of the year.
Take our lead.
Once your strawberry plants have finished fruiting, it's tempting to forget about them until next year. But a little care now will keep them healthy and in good shape, so next year's crop is as good as this one. This frees room for new leaves to grow, creating a leafy, healthy plant for overwintering.
Take our lead.
Strawberry plants can produce fruit for 5 or 6 years. However, after the first 2 years the yields will be reduced dramatically and a buildup of pests and diseases can occur. Strawberry beds are usually kept for 2 or 3 years before they're cleared and planted on new ground.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
If you did not happen to cut back your plants this summer, whatever you do, don't cut them back in the fall. It is far better at this point to simply leave their foliage in place. If not, they simply can't grow enough protection back to survive the freezing and thawing of winter, and most likely will perish.
Take our lead.
Expect strawberry plants to crop successfully for 4 years before replacing them. Rotate your strawberry patch onto fresh ground to minimize the risk of disease buildup in the soil. More information on propagating your own plants from runners.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.